Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder storage. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder full storage, you should just go to settings. Here on this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, you'll enter to the window of Tinder. When you'll find this list of apps info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here in this window, you click storage. Then we click clear cache. And then you can go to Play Store, you will find uninstall. You will wait a moment and you can install again your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.